Welcome to Davy Mall Public School e-learning classes. Standard 10, Subject Science. Topic Carbon and its compound. This is a revision video. Food, clothes, medicines, books, or many of the things are all based on versatile element carbon. In addition, all living structures are carbon based. The amount of carbon present in the earth crust and the in atmosphere is quite mere. The earth's crust has only 0.02% carbon in the form of mineral like carbonate, hydrogen carbonate, coal and petroleum, and the atmosphere has 0.03% of carbon dioxide. In spite of this small amount of carbon available in nature, the importance of carbon seems to be immense. The atomic number of carbon is 6. Its electronic arrangement is 2, 4. That is, it has 4 valence electrons in the outermost cell. It can attain stability by gaining 4 electrons or by losing 4 electrons or by sharing 4 electrons with other atoms. It does not gain 4 electrons because it is difficult for the 6 proton to hold 10 electrons. It does not lose 4 electrons because it needs a large amount of energy to lose 4 electrons. So to show it share 4 electrons with other atoms to attain stability, resulting in the formation of covalent bond. Since carbon atom need 4 electrons to attain stability, its valency is 4 and carbon is a tetravalent. The shared electron belong to the outer shell of both the atom and lead to both atom attain the noble gas configuration. Formation of covalent bond. Covalent bond is a chemical bond formed by the sharing of electrons between atoms. The sharing of one pair of electron result in formation of single covalent bond. The sharing of two electron pair result in the formation of double covalent bond. And the sharing of three pair of electron result in the formation of triple covalent bond. Let us see formation of single covalent bond in hydrogen molecule. Formation of single covalent bond in hydrogen molecule H2. The atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Its electronic configuration is 1. It has one valence electron. It needs one more electron to attain stability. So two hydrogen atoms share one pair of electrons, resulting in the formation of a single covalent bond in hydrogen molecule. Formation of double covalent bond in oxygen molecule. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. Its electronic configuration is 2,6. It has 6 valence electron in outermost cell and it needs 2 more electrons to attain stability. So two oxygen atoms share 2 pair of electrons, resulting in the formation of double covalent bond in oxygen molecule. Formation of triple covalent bond in nitrogen molecule. The atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Electronic configuration is 2, 5. It has 5 valence electrons in outermost cell. It needs 3 more electrons to attain stability. So, two nitrogen atoms share 3 pairs of electrons, resulting in the formation of triple covalent bond in nitrogen molecule. Versatile nature of carbon. The number of carbon compound whose formula are known to chemists was recently estimated to be about 3 million. This outnumber by a large margin the compounds formed by all the other elements put together. Why is it that this property is seen in carbon and no other element? Two factors noticed in the case of carbons are catenation and tetravalency. Catenation. Carbon has the unique ability to form bond with other atoms of carbon, giving rise to large number of molecules. This property is called catenation. These compounds may have long chain of carbon, branch chain of carbon, or even carbon atom arranged in ring. In addition, carbon atom may be linked by single bond, double bond, or triple bond. Compound of carbon which are linked by only single bond between the carbon atom are called saturated compounds. Compound of carbon having double or triple bonds between the carbon atoms are called unsaturated compound. No other element exhibit the property of catenation to the extent seen in the carbon compound. Tetravalency. Tetravalent nature of carbon. Since carbon has a valency of 4, it is capable of bonding with 4 other atoms of carbon or atoms of some other monovalent element like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, halogen, etc. Again, the bond that carbon forms with most other elements are very strong, making this compound exceptionally stable. One reason for the formation of a strong bond by carbon is its small size. This enables the nucleus to hold on to the shared pair of electrons strongly. The bond formed by elements having larger atoms are much weaker. Hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon are compound containing hydrogen and carbon atoms only. Saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbons are hydrocarbon having all single covalent bond between the carbon atoms. Example, alkanes have all single covalent bond between the carbon atom and their name end with ane, A-N-E. For example, methane CH4, ethane C2H6. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. These are hydrocarbon having a double or triple covalent bond between carbon atom. Example, alkene or alkyne. Alkene have a double covalent bond between two carbon atoms and their name end with ene, E-N-E. For example, ethene, propene, alkyne. Alkynes have a triple covalent bond between two carbon atoms and their name end with YNE, ene. For example, ethene, propene. Homologous series. Homologous series is a group of carbon compound having similar structure, similar chemical properties, and whose successive member differ by a CH2 group. For example, alkanes, alkynes, and alkenes. Alkane have general formula CnH2n plus 2. Their name end with ane and the member are as follows: methane CH4, ethane C2H6, propane C3H8, butane C4H10, and so on. The successive member of alkane series differ from each other by CH2 group. Alkene. Alkene have general molecular formula CnH2n. Their name end with ene and the member are as follows: ethene C2H4, propene C3H6, butene C4H8, pentene C5H10. Alkene. Alkenes have general molecular formula CnH2n minus 2. Their name end with ene, Y-N-E, and the members are ethane, propane, and butane. Thank you.